There are three mechanisms that lead to variation among organisms. Those are crossing over, independent assortment, and random fertilization. Crossing over has to do with the fact that at certain times during meiosis, homologous chromosomes come close together. And a homologous chromosome means one copy came from mom and one copy came from dad. And on crossing over, the two homologous chromosomes that have replicated their sister chromatids come together, cross and swap genetic information that would be here and there, so that when you're done, you get 4 different sister chromatids that contain a combination of different kinds of genetic material. The second mechanism that leads to variation among individuals that do meiosis and sexual reproduction is something called independent assortment. A cell might have 2 sets of homologous chromosomes, but basically in this case, the first cell divides down the middle. The mom component of each individual chromosome ends up in one cell and the dad in the second cell. In meiosis 2, they divide the cells in half again along the sister chromatids, and you get these 4 possible gametes. As I've labeled, this is a capital, capital, and then lowercase, lowercase. But there's nothing to say that now the dad's information lines up independent of mom's information. If that's the case, we follow through the steps of meiosis, and when we're all done, we divide here in first. So now I have a combination of part mom, part dad component for chromosomes, and over here I have part dad, part mom. So when I'm all done with the second division finally, that gives me 2 brand new options. As a result of independent assortment, I don't just have one option. So there's nothing to say that how one chromosome lines up on the equator drives how another one lines up on the equator. They're all independent of each other. In addition to that, these might end up being sperm or egg, depending on whether you're a female or male. Once we've got this down, we have this possibility that can join with any other combination of sperm or egg at random. And so really, for those 3 reasons, that really produces individuals, offspring, humans, that are absolutely different than any other offspring or any other human being on Earth. So with all that different variation, humans are different, and that's why even though you might be a sibling from the same parents, you have one sibling might have brown eyes, the other one might have blue, blonde hair, red hair, and etc.